Hello and welcome back to the Randox Acusera 24/7 training demos. In this part, we're going to be looking at the statistical analysis reports and reports in general. So we're beginning on the home page on Acusera 24/7, and if we go to our left-hand side, we find our reports tab. Underneath this, we have the option of 5 different reports, namely the statistical analysis report, statistical metrics, peer group statistics, uncertainty measurement, and the exception report. So we're going to take a look at the statistical analysis report today. When we click on this, our header changes to the statistical analysis report. We have our date ranges to look at. We have the choice of deciding if we want to look at the world peer group or if we want to look at a group that we're already part of, such as a lab group if you're an individual lab. Then we can look at it by assay, by just the instrument, or by method. We can also use alternative lots, and once the data has been generated, we can download this data in Excel or PDF format. So we select our date range, and we will go back to March till September, and we'll look at the world peer group and we'll look by assay. And once we're ready, click our little generate button. As you see, our QC tests are being added and all the data that we have or has been entered. As it's being added, you'll notice a orange bar creeping across the screen. The more data you have, the longer this will take. The longer the range, also the longer the data range, the longer it will take also. So now we'll look at what is available in terms of our data. We have the lot numbers. We also have the instruments, so the names of the instruments, the method of which the analysis has been done. We have the count, which is the amount of results, the mean of those results, the SD, CV, SCI, and CVI. We have the same thing on this side as well. So we now have our headings are separated in this section into two pieces. We have our participant and our world. Our world is who we are comparing against. Our participant is the user themselves or yourself. We have our date range and we have our cumulative. So our statistics for our date range is the same on the cumulative side, which is from the total amount of results from whenever we very first started using that lot until now, whenever we've clicked generate. So as you can see, for our date range, we have no results for the 3 lots for this assay or QC test, but we do have 21 total results for this lot. We have a mean, RSD, or CV, no SDI or CVI because we have no peer group for this very specific QC test. However, if we scroll down, we can see for AFP, we have not used this QC test over that date range. We have no results added. However, we do have cumulative results with our count, our mean, our SD, our CV, our SDI, our CVI, and our comparison against our peer group, where they have 3,405 results, a mean of 9.639, an SD of 0.732, and a CV of 7.59. So we can see that on lot number 1810 EC, we have overperformed compared to our peers. If you wish to download this, we can simply click on our X for our Excel format. If we open up this file, sorry, it's just taking a wee minute. Then we're given an Excel file showing all of the data that was being generated, including all of the statistics that were included in it also. This is handy for archiving purposes and for auditing. And that concludes this part of the Randox Acusera 24/7 training series.